In my 4 years of producing Mike Mary Fashion Show and Award, during this period, I had the opportunity to relate and encounter with several fashion designers. A lot, for 4 good years. But one of the major problems I had with these designers are that they have classic designs. Their designs are excellent, very beautiful, very skillful. In fact, some of them, they have excellent design that, yes, because they are not known, you cannot resist having their collections in your wardrobe. But one of the major problems they had is they lack the business of fashion. And that is what has limited them to that confinement that they find themselves. Nobody knows them except people within their neighborhood, except people in their church, except their family members. Some are even so worse that it's only their family members and their close friends that patronize them. So this brought about Mike Mary Fashion Business School. That's one of the reasons why we decided not to hold Mike Mary Fashion Show and Award for this year, because we needed to bridge the gap. Because I don't see the reason organizing a fashion show and award, and at the end, they showcase their collection, but you discover that something is still lacking. They lack that business idea to package it and take it beyond their level. That's one of the main reasons why we started on Mike Mary Fashion Business School, which brings us to the level of let's bridge this gap. Let's see how we can solve this problem for them. And when we have been able to do that, getting it right, then we can now confidently say, yes, we want to run fashion show and award. So you see that we did not just wake up one day and decided to do Mike Mary Fashion Business School. There was a reason, there was a calling, there was a problem that we needed to solve there. So please, if you have come in contact with any of our videos from our past fashion show and award, you might be wondering, why are we not holding fashion show and award this year? This is one of the main reasons. We needed to focus and re-strategize and solve a problem for these fashion designers. So if you are a fashion business owner out there and you know within yourself, you know very well that yes, you are no longer comfortable with the level you are in your fashion business. That does not mean you are not making sales. You could be making sales and you might not be making profit. If you are no longer comfortable with the level you are in your fashion business and you just needed to take a step further, you just needed to improve on your level, you just needed to improve on your sales, you needed to improve on your packaging and branding in structuring your fashion business, reach out to us and let's help you take on fashion business from where you are to the next level. We hope to see you. We hope to hear from you any moment from now. Click the link below or wherever it is right now, or link in our bio, and reach out to us. Let's take you to the next level.